Congratulations, Sanju. Just from the perspective of batting on that surface, what was it like?
It was, I think, to be very honest, I think I'm very lucky to be behind the wickets throughout the game. So when I was behind the wickets, when we were bowling, I knew that with the new ball, there was some purchase of the wicket when they were bowling in right lengths, test match lengths. And once the ball was sold, I think it was a really good wicket to bat on.
So just in your perspective as captain then, Sandeep and bowling in the power play initially and restricting them to something like 46, how good was that?
Yeah, I think it was a very good, team effort. I think they did bowl a couple of overs each, and I think the guys who come in and bowl the important overs of one each over, I think that is also very crucial. So I think, yeah, we try to attack in first 3 to 4 overs, and then I think just get out of the power play safely. I think it's a very good team effort. I think they know what to do, which ball, which over, what does the team require. I think there is a lot of planning going on behind the scenes. So our team is sticking to that, and I think we are doing well.
So if you were to identify the most critical phase of your bowling performance, you have the power play, you have the back end, where the last 2 overs didn't go for much. Where was it?
I think, to be very honest, I think it's the start and the end of the innings. I think we started off really well, and they batted, I think, in their home conditions. They knew how to pick the boundaries, how to pick those doubles. I think it went a bit far away in the middle overs, and then at the timeout, we decided that we just have to finish well, and our bowlers really did that.
I saw Rian Parag run all the way from off the field to hug Dhruv Jurel. Yeah. What does this knock mean for Dhruv and being alongside you there for so long at the end?
Yeah, I think we can see it in his eyes. I think it's like definitely the form is temporary, but the batting order which he bats in, I think number 5, T20 format is one of the toughest job to do. I think a youngster like him.
Perfect record on the road. What do you attribute that to?
Sorry, sir.
Perfect record on the road so far, away from home.
Yeah, actually, I think we have been doing really well. I think, to be very honest, I think the cricket and IPL has been really good to us. I think we have been a bit lucky also. I think the momentum have been going with us. And I think, to be very honest, I think we have to keep taking those small right processes actually. I think you never know with the results which can go either here and there, and with the T20 format, mistakes are supposed to happen. So in the team meetings and everywhere, we just decide that we just have to take care of the process.
Sanju, congratulations and all the very best as you go forward.
Thank you so much, sir.
कप्तान संजू सैमसन ने 71 रनों की शानदार नाबाद पारी खेली। राजस्थान रॉयल्स ने शनिवार को लखनऊ सुपर जायंट्स पर 7 विकेट की जीत के साथ अपना प्ले ऑन स्थान लगभग सुरक्षित कर लिया। राजस्थान ने इस सीजन में मैदान पर खेले गए सभी 4 मैच जीतकर एक बेदाग रिकॉर्ड भी बनाए रखा। कप्तान संजू सैमसन ने अपनी टीम के असाधारण प्रदर्शन पर बेहद खुशी और संतुष्टि व्यक्त की। हम थोड़े भाग्यशाली भी रहे हैं। हमें सही प्रक्रियाओं पर टिके रहना होगा। T20 क्रिकेट में गलतियां होती रहती हैं और हम इस प्रक्रिया पर कायम रहने की बात दोहराते हैं। परिणाम हमारे पक्ष में आ रहे हैं, इसलिए यह स्पष्ट है कि हम कुछ सही कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने मैच के बाद कहा।